Am I recording? Okay, yeah, I'm recording. Oh my god. No! I didn't even. No.
I'm still in.
Alright, guys. I'm here playing Jenga with my brother again.
Oh, I'm here. Never mind.
Man, I wish I could spectate you. I can spectate you, but I wish we can spectate individual people.
I died.
What was that? Was it a nuke?
Is that a nuke?
I think it was a nuke.
I didn't change the name.
Oh, I don't know.
Why
is it laggy?
I don't know. I'm ready too.
I don't know. I guess.
Maybe we'll try this. Shit. Don't say haha, that's not nice. Are you the guy that pushed the kid in the pool in Coco?
I don't know, but look at me. I'm one with my brother.
We're matching.
We are together.
At least I can blink.
We are disconnecting now. 1% left.
You better do it for us. Else you die.
Where'd he go? I can't. Is he in between the crack?
Probably.
Hold on. Wait. Look at this guy. He said his phone is laggy too. So it's not just us. This guy's phone is laggy too. Hey, get out of the way. No! This time we're doing it with poopy 45 bell colors. Yeah. This guy was in the army.
I have a channel called, I forgot what it's called. Bandy,
I don't know. Tricky the Clown 2.
Yeah, Tricky the Clown 2. You guys, go check it out.
Yeah, go subscribe to his channel because he needs subscribers. Where's this guy?
I only have one.
Stranger Danger. I found someone named Stranger Danger and he looks like he has bendy eyes. And he's a jellyfish with a suit on. You look ugly. This guy has a big head. Plue. I suck at this game.
We made it to the bottom.
I suck at this game. Are you still live? Are you still live? Oh, I see you. You see him? He's down there. Why is my phone so laggy?
My laggy too.
Blue, you died?
I died. But I'm flying in mid-air.
Muscle man. Oh, where'd he go? Muscle man. Hey, my phone's not laggy anymore.
My phone's still a little.
I'm it.
You're it?
Yeah, I'm it.
Don't put anything on me. I wanna win.
Too bad. Are people already dying? How are people dying? Alright, I have 45 bill and I'm about to forward at you.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
I'm jumping. I'm gonna keep jumping, whatever.
No, don't jump. Because I need to do this. Free!
What? Bro, why Freddy?
Free!
Someone said, bro, why Freddy? I see you.
I'm putting your boy up.
He put why.
Too bad.
Why
Freddy!
I see you.
Well, I'm putting it to 18. I don't care.
What? Someone said
21.
Someone said I like bro, what Freddy? And someone said I see you. So people don't like Freddy.
Boom! I'm about to make you guys fall.
Are you throwing it at the bottom?
Yeah. it's too high. I mean, it's too low. 26. Hopefully that can hit you guys. Whee! I want to see all the action, but I can't. I'm gonna look at the chat. Wi-Fi, yeah, I saw. You look at the chat.
I told you that, right? Bro, what funny.
Too bad. Fine, I'll change it.
Yeah, change it. We don't like you throwing funny. That's not nice.
I'll throw a skeleton.
What did you throw?
A skeleton. I'm gonna throw the sun.
The sun?
Yes, the sun.
I saw it.
More down. Are you dead?
No.
I need to try to win. Go!
I saw that one. XD. What does that mean?
Laughing. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna throw a bowling ball.
A bowling ball?
Yeah, sure, gonna.
Never mind.
Shit, call that.
Shook the whole entire thing.
Where should I throw? I see a bunch of people over
No,
there.
that's where I am.
Too bad. Did it hit anyone?
No, you
Okay, I put it more down. Do I need to put it more down or more up?
I'm not telling you.
I'm putting it more down. Whee! Did it hit anyone?
I think they're going to shoot.
Fine, I'm throwing something. I'm throwing a big thing this time. I'm throwing a boat.
Oh.
A whole boat. A big.
You killed me, but I'm still on.
I see you.
Wait, how did you kill me?
Oh no! Wait. People are getting down.
How did you kill me?
I hit you. That's
Yeah, but I didn't fall off.
Die.
Why did you specifically throw it at me?
I didn't know you were there. It's not my fault.
Why sure? Yeah. Why sure?
I'm gonna throw the sun again.
I'm gonna throw the most giant green thing I do.
Did I hit anyone? Am I even hitting people?
Why don't you try doing it at the bottom?
Speed.
Just speed
350.
miles per hour?
Go! I need to hit those people because they can't make it.
When everything goes off, do they win?
So I need to kill him. Freddy Fazbear. No.
Is that the last one?
I'm putting it to 7 because I need to kill him.
Is that the last one?
Freddy! Did I hit anyone?
No.
Do I need to put him more up?
No, I don't know.
I'm putting it to 8. Freddy Fazbear.
Someone's forcing me to talk to him. Bag. He said bag.
Someone said aim of a fish. I'll show you the aim of a fish.
Wait, you're gonna throw it?
Die! Haha. No! I hate my life.
Game. Yeah, we won. Haha. I'm it!
Oh, wait, you're it?
Yeah.
Okay. I was about to say it's not my fault, I'm bad. Oh no. More higher.
You put it higher.
It's in the middle one. More higher.
I'm putting it to
30? I think someone just jumped off. Someone just jumped off. People are falling. Stop jumping. Oh my god. You killed so many people. You killed like 5 people. Oh my god.
Freddy, save me.
No, I got hit. Ah!
I know.
my gosh. Oh my, did you see that guy?
I am flagging.
Bro, that guy turned into a kite.
How do you change it? How do you change it?
That guy turned into a kite. Oh my
How do you
god.
change it?
The last one. What are you gonna throw?
Nothing.
I'm dead, so you can tell me.
I don't know. Like, I don't want to.
Oh my god. Throw it.
You see it? I just go.
What was that?
I just go.
A squat. That's the thing I threw. I threw. I think the biggest thing is a boat. I have a lot of questions, but I have 0 answers. I just saw Muscle Man kill someone, and now he's kissing another Muscle Man. Muscle Man killed his brother, and now he's kissing his brother. And this guy's crying in the background. And there's a... And he killed him again! Stop killing your brother and kissing him. And now he's dancing!
Am I hitting anyone?
I wasn't looking, I'm just looking at this guy dancing.
Why?
Because he's cool. You need to go more low because there's a bunch of people down. Stop going with each other. You're enemies and then you're not. You're enemies and then you're not. I'll tell you if you someone jumped off. You're gonna throw something or what?
Yeah, I'm about to. My game's back.
Oh, okay. What's that?
Let me throw it one more time.
It's too high.
So high?
Yeah, it's super high. It like goes over like the entire thing. You better hurry up because there's 90 seconds left.
Exactly. I'm gonna win that either way. It's at 23. Is it by
I'm just putting random letters and seeing what happens. Oh, man, he got centered. What are you doing? Still too high.
How?
More down. There's 60 seconds. Come on. I disconnected. I hate you. I hate you more.
I hate you.
I hate you more.
I hate you.
I hate you more. I hate you more. What's that? Alright, I'm back. You have 20 seconds left.
13. If it's too high, it's not my fault. It's glitch.
I'm gonna do emoji time.
Is that good? I'm gonna win. Yeah, I won.
Need it. Alright, I'm gonna go back in first person. Look at this guy, he's tall and he's evil. Okay. What?
What did he spell?
Actually, I'm a fingernail. I feel like I should end the video here.
Let's play spider.
Alright. Oh my god.
But different.
What was that?
Can we play a different game?
If we have time. Oh my gosh.
Let's see if we can play a different game.
Alright, let's. Oh, what game are we gonna play though?
I don't know. Just leave.
Alright. Man, Carlito is so hungry and he's stupid, so I had to go to the store and buy him stuff. And look who it is! Look who it is!
What? I was hungry.
You're so fat. Let's just go get the chips. Let's just go get the chips. Come on.
Which store are we going to?
This one.
I don't see.
It's called the stupid store for stupid people. Now get in.
This one?
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah. Are you in?
What is this?
Wait, are we? I think. Oh my god. We're in different servers. We're in different servers. Oh no. We need to get out. Alright, I was run over by a car last time, so yeah, I'm back. And I'm back here because Carlitos told me to get more chips. He's such a lazy fat pig. So I need to go get him chips. Where even are you? Are you even here? Where? I don't see you.
You don't see me?
No.
Wow, that was fat.
Oh.
You can't see me.
Oh, here you are.
You're so fat I can see you even though I'm not even in the store.
Press the green button. Play. The red one or the blue one?
The
white one.
red one. Better than
Oh my god, how many people want wet? Oh my god, 10, 11, 12, 13?
It's 13 out of 1. Who's gonna win?
I don't know.
Probably the one guy.
We're going to the store.
I don't want to go to the store.
Too bad, you stupid pig!
If I die.
You wanted chips, so we're gonna get chips, okay?
What if you get stuck in the clothes?
I'm gonna spit on you. Where are you? We need to find chips. Regeneration. Go push him. Where are you? Don't tell me you're last in the start. There you are. Get over here. No, that guy's scary. Get over here. We're locked.
Attention shoppers. Walmart is now closed.
Oh yeah, we went to Walmart. I forgot. We need to stay together. We need to stay together. Come on. Let's stay together. We need to go to one of those to get white things. What is this? We need popcorn, toothpaste, and an apple. Toothpaste is right here. Now we need popcorn. Popcorn. What do we need again? Oh wait, it's not apple. It's a raspberry. Where is?
It's right when I was about to get popcorn.
What was that? That's a raspberry. We're looking for raspberries.
Raspberry?
I need to go back to the thing because I need to see what else I needed. The fruit aisle. What is this? Oh yeah, popcorn. It's right here. Yes. I need to put it in. Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
Got it.
Magnet. Oh, what do I need a magnet for? What do you? The danger level went up. Pee pee. There's pee pee on the floor. Someone peed on the floor.
Why?
Where's that guy? Because I have a taser. Get over here. I'm going to tase you. I tased it. Yeah, I tased it. full. I need to look for.
I got bread.
I need to look for another scanner.
That thing, that stuff.
Where'd he go? Ah, my God, he's right there.
Apple, I need an apple.
What is this? I need apple and a bread and some pasta.
I already have pasta and bread.
I need
an apple.
I need an apple too.
Do you already got both of those?
There's 2 apples over here. That one. Now we need bread and a pasta.
Where's the apples?
In the food now. What? There's another one? There's another one.
Another what?
Another killer. Give me that. Oh. Wrong button. Okay. No, pasta right here. Go after this guy. Go after this. Bread. Oh. Let me get out of here. Wrong button! I keep on almost ending the video accidentally. Now where's that scanner? I need it. Uh-oh. Not again. Spawn malfunction. No! Here. Beep. Beep. I think it gets rid of 20% of the stuff. Go after this guy. I don't know where milk is, sorry. I think it's in the cold area. What do I need here? Milk, frozen pizza, and onions. Good thing, there's onions right here. Give me it. Oh my gosh. And I think the other stuff will be. Alright, I need frozen pizza and milk. And then I can get out of this stupid. You need milk.
I already got the milk.
There's milk right here.
What do you need after?
Frozen pizza!
What do you need at the last thing of milk?
What? What did you say?
What's the? No, someone hit me and I lost my pizza.
Oh no. I wish we can drop stuff. Hold on, wait, I can. Goodness, here, take mine. Hold on, wait, she's over there. You don't have time. Okay, go after this girl. She's the girl I pushed you. Are you okay? Oh, okay. Now we need a. Hurry. Oh my God, there's 2 of them. We need onions. They're in the fruit aisle. I need to use my final scanner so I can get out of here. Over here. It should be over here. I need to get out of here. I need to find a door. Now go to the thing. Oh, he's right there. I'll distract him. Hey, idiot. Stupid idiot. Sorry. Come over here. Come after me, you idiot. Stupid idiot. Yes, magnet. Give me it. Die. Stupid robot. I need to get out of here. I need to find a door. Use it. Hurry.
Done.
Now we need to go find a door. I know where the door is. Oh my God! Find the door. Come on, where are you? Come on, over here. Follow me. I know where the door is. It's over here. Right here. Come on. Come here. Come here. You're flying. Yes. Cookies. Give me the cookies. Yes. Yay! We did it. So now we can finally go home with the cookies, and we got punched off the tower. Yeah. So yeah, okay. This?
Brother?
What?
I lost the cookies.
You lost the cookies.
Oh, we have to go back.
No. 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 No.